back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna recreate a look of mine. Actually, what I wanted to really show you guys. So I think I did like a testing the Jeffree Star and Morphe brushes, like the first brushes that they came out with, and I did this red and blue eyeshadow look that I really want to recreate for you guys because I think that look is so iconic for me, and I'm gonna revamp it, do it my type of style, how I would do it now. So with jewels and like a little wing moment and like I love that look so much, and I can't wait to show it to you guys how I recreate it. So if you guys want to keep on seeing how I do it, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start out, I'm gonna prime, and y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay primer potion in the shade Eden. This is my favorite one. Oops, sorry, I just ate and I was a hungry ass bitch today. Today is popping, so don't clock me anyway. So yeah, let's get it cracking. Sorry, oh my god, I'm disgusting as usual, but so yeah, on this side is gonna be the blue, and now this side is gonna be the red. That's why I believe I had that last time. So yeah, to start out with the blue, I'm gonna take the James Charles palette. Yo, I be sounding like a mad hater, but honey, ain't nobody fucking hating off of him, okay? I just don't. But oh my god, okay, so I know, hater period. Anyway, bitch, I'm gonna take the shade Cola right here, and I'm gonna stamp it on the outer V. I like to do that just so I could create that cut look, and it could be popping. So let's get it cracking. And this is on the Morphe M456. So next step is I'm gonna take the shade Playground right here from the James Charles palette again, and I'm gonna put it on top, like above where I put Cola at, just so it won't be no harsh lines and everything looks blended more. You guys know the drill, and this is on the Morphe M433 brush. Focus. So now, so I could really have a blended out fucking look, I'm gonna take the shade Finish from the ColourPop X Bretman collection, and I'm gonna just put it on the eyebrow bone, just so I just really love a seamless blend. So this will help it blend even more because it's like a light blue color and still stick with the theme, just make it more poppin'. So next step is I'm gonna cut my crease with the Urban Decay primer potion, and this is my favorite trick. I love doing this cut and crease with this because it has a flat paddle and it has pigment, so it's kind of like a concealer. This is my favorite trick. So I'm gonna cut the crease right now. Glitter time. So I'm gonna use the NYX glitter glue, put it on my finger. A little bit goes a long way with this, so I'm only gonna put this much, and I'm gonna apply it on where I put my cut crease at, like where I put that concealer at, just so that's where I'm gonna put the glitter at. So here we go. Wait until it gets tacky, that's when you add the glitter. And for glitter, I'm gonna use the Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to take the shade Diamond Life right here. This is like a bluish aqua moment. I'm gonna put it right where I put the glitter glue. I'm using it with my finger, and this is what it looks like. It's so fucking pretty. stretch for this look. So my next step is I am going to, let me do this real quick. Ghetto things, what's the button? I am going to take this color Mood from the Bretman Rock collection, and I am going to add that on the corner of my eye, just so I could blend the glitter and the dark color so it won't be no harsh lines. So now it's time for a wing, and bitch, I'm scared. I hate doing wings. I hate doing wings. Like, oh well, now I'm gonna take the NYX Matte Black. I love this liquid liner. And I'm gonna just do the line and pray for Jesus. That's all we gotta do. That's the key. That's on period. Let's get it cracking. So for lashes today, I'm gonna use the Cocoa Lashes in the style Diva. These are my favorite lashes. Like, Cocoa Lashes, please hit a bitch up. I need some more lashes. But yeah, I'm gonna apply these off camera and I'll be right back, guys. So while that lash glue is drying, I am going to do lower lash line. So I'm gonna take the shade Playground right here and just run it through my lower lashes. So the last step on the blue side is I'm gonna take the shade Hello right here, this little light blue color, and then I'll put it in my inner corner just so I can have that blue brightness. I decided to add some jewels because I feel like a fucking extra bitch. So yeah, let's get it cracking on the red side, bitch. I'm so excited for the red side because I'm feeling like a fiery bitch. Hot Cheetos who? Not me. I'm independent, bitch. IDP. What the fuck was that? Ew. Okay, cancel, period. So for the red side, I'm gonna use the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. And I'm gonna mix the shades Fresh Meat and Cherry Soda together on the, like, on my outer V like I did with the blue side, but with the red side. Okay, so now to blend out like that like harsh line on my eyebrow bone, I'm gonna take the shade Prick right here, and just so it could be no harsh lines as usual. Alright, so it's time to cut the crease. So as usual, I am gonna use the Urban Decay Primer Potion to cut that crease, bitch. Let's get it cracking. Put some glitter glue. Hey guys, so once I apply the glitter, now for the glitter on this side, I am going to use the Diamond Glitterati shade right here from the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette, and yeah, let's put it on. So now to blend out the glitter and the outer corner so it won't be no harsh lines, I'm going to take the mixture of Fresh Meat and Extraction just so it can have more definition and it'd be a better blend. I'm gonna put the wing on and the lash just like the last color, and I'll be right back. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take cherry soda and just blend it out. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Rusted right here. And literally right here, and just mix it all together and you get the best of both worlds, ho. Psych, now I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. How do you guys feel about it? So on my lips, I have, for lip liner, I use the Lime Crime Velveteen Lip Liner in the shade Platform. And to fill it in, I use the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Clay Crush. And then to top it off for lip gloss, I use the Kylie Lip Gloss in the shade Literally. So yeah, this is the final look and I hope you guys love it. And if you do, you already know how to do, honey. Give me a big old thumbs up. Okay guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for 150 subs. We made it a 150. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me and believing in me. Thank you guys so much. Bitch, this is only the beginning. So like it up, subscribe it up, and yeah guys, I love you so much. And yeah, I love you, my moon babies.